How to find your work privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your work privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information, and here you will find your work. Just click this pen here, and here you will find this one. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage privacy settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.